What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 10 of the Custom Cleat Chronicles. Today we're going to be featuring Malik Jackson of the Jacksonville Jaguars.
Kaiser's first pass attempt, steps up and he's dragged down. Malik Jackson brings down Kaiser.
Now, Malik is an all-pro defensive tackle who's also a former Super Bowl champion with the Denver Broncos, so we are super excited to work with him. He's a guy who's gotten pretty well known for his custom cleats over the last few years, so it's really exciting that he hit us up to do a couple pairs for him. And this first pair that we're going to be showing in today's video was from a few weeks back when the Jags went down to Dallas to play the Cowboys, and Malik tends to get something unique depending on his opponent each week, so for this game he asked to create a battle scene between the Jaguars mascot and the Cowboys mascot. And so this wasn't going to be your average color swap or simple team color freestyle pair. We had to really get down to the drawing board on this pair, so it definitely presented some unique challenges. Now, drawing isn't something that I'm necessarily formally trained in, but recently I've been playing around on the iPad with an Apple Pencil using Procreate, and I've just started messing around with the app. There's literally endless things that you can do, and there's some amazing illustrations and stuff out there that you guys can see, and this program is really limitless. It's kind of like working with Photoshop, but even better for drawing and just illustrating, and it's super fun, and I'm enjoying the challenge of playing with it and learning new things with it. And this entire pair was really going to be revolved around the drawing, so we really had to nail it there. So today we wanted to just show you guys how we formulated this really unique, kind of crazy out there drawing to create this pair. So let's go ahead and get things started. Okay, so as you guys can kind of start to watch this doodle and see how this whole project came together, there's a little bit of an overall topic that I wanted to have a discussion with you guys about. And it's about a question that we've been getting a whole lot more recently here on YouTube, and it's something that we really and truly get DMs and emails about daily. And the question will typically go something like, hey guys, I don't have any experience doing any art or any drawing in general. Do you think that I'd be able to handle doing custom shoes? Or maybe it's a similar style question from an entry-level customizer who's maybe done his first couple pairs and he's wondering if he should upgrade to doing stuff with an airbrush, but he has no idea how to use one, or he's scared to invest the money into that. And I think what's happening is sometimes people can allow a little bit of self-doubt to creep in without even really giving themselves a chance. And I think that this project, and as a whole working with Malik, I could have fallen into a similar trap of allowing that self-doubt to creep in and not even giving myself the proper opportunity. And maybe I could have gone the route of trying to talk him into something that I'm a little bit more comfortable with, but great projects as a whole tend to happen when you step outside of your comfort zone. And by doing so, you open yourself up to so many more opportunities. And I know I reference tattoo artists all the time here on our channel, but as a tattoo artist, you definitely want to be able to handle any customer that walks into your shop and any challenge that comes your way. And I think the same thing goes for customizers, that you really need to be able to handle anything that comes your way. And so for this project, I really had to nail it with the drawing. And this is something that, as you guys can tell, I'm not necessarily the most comfortable with. I'm not formally trained in it. I don't have just a ton of experience in general with it. But hopefully over time and with the right mentality, it's something that I can take what is a weakness today and hopefully turn it into a strength in the future. And if you have that mindset that absolutely nothing's going to get in your way and you're opening yourself up to new challenges, then that's where truly great things can happen for you. So if you guys caught a quick glimpse of that picture that we inserted at the end of the cleats actually in the locker room with Malik in his jersey, that is something super significant and really exciting to me, where it's kind of cool to take a step back and think about what's actually happening, being able to be lucky enough to make these cleats for NFL players that really do end up on the field and that they really take pride in wearing. And that just means a lot, and it's kind of hard to put into words, and everything moves so fast around here that sometimes it's hard to take a step back and just think about how really cool that is. Growing up, huge sports fan. I watch football every single week, and I have my entire life. I watch all kinds of sports, but it's just super cool to really be able to also watch them and be able to play a very small role in the whole thing. So it is something that we definitely do not take for granted, and we are so lucky to just be able to make a living while simply creating. So we hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and seeing a little bit of the drawing process that went into this pair, and I'm excited over time to show you guys my evolution as a drawer and illustrator within this app. It's something that I'm really trying to put the time and effort into becoming really good at it and really comfortable with it, and like I said earlier in the video, just being able to tackle anything that comes my way. So if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you give this video a like, make sure to subscribe to the page, and we will see you guys in that next video.